Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is Zachary with Backyard DIY again. Here's what we're doing today. From the pool house and the old tore down one, the new one, to the dog's helping me dig, to the chicken coop is used to be a underground wire that surfaced, and everyone knew about it except my dad that wasn't paying attention, that ran it over. So with the mower, by the way. So it's spliced. There's the cut there, and there's the other end. So I am redigging this, and disclaimer, banners and everything. This is probably, I'm pretty sure, not going to be a code job or a 100% accurate. I do know you're supposed to bury it with conduit and stuff like that, but I'm not going to do that. So I will show you the process of what I'm doing, and then also I bought a repair splice kit thing from the store that's made just for this, and it's even designed for waterproof. So here's the splice kit, 14 to 8 gauge. And it's got this one set up for 4 lines, or 4 wires. I only have 3, so we'll just not use one. But it looks like you slide both sides in, and then twist the flathead. And you first you put your heat shrink tube over your project, because obviously after you put this together you can't. So you'd put that down, slide the heat shrink down your tube, or down your wire, and then put that on, and then use your heat shrink. I will show you that throughout this process, and show you what I'm doing. So now you're going to see me have fun digging a trench, which isn't going to be very deep, but it's going to go from the pool house to about that little tree is where it surfaced at, and that's where I'm going to stop, and then repair this wire, and then rebury it and throw the dirt back on top of it. So stick around, and you're going to watch me have fun. Luckily there's a breeze, so I won't die too bad. Okay, so with this kit, I'm going to cut back until I get to wire that wasn't chewed up by my lawnmower, which is going to be all the way back here. So all this is going to be waste. Needs to be said that obviously you want to make sure that your power is off. Can't think of the word now. Circuit breaker or fuse panel or whatever you have, make sure the power's off. By this heat shrink tubing. Your whole face is a mess, dog. Alright, so take the cord and put your heat shrink tubing over it, slide it down far enough, get it out of your way, and go back to the tips of your cord. On this side, going to, or wire I should say instead of cord, you're going to peel back another inch, or strip off another inch, however you want to say it. I know if I don't correct myself, somebody will. So on this, going to, got the screwdriver holes that holds your wiring in. I had to get a smaller screwdriver that would fit down in here. There we go. That time. And I got that side. Alright, so there's the completed project, or part. Ending goal is here. Got them all tightened down. And then the fourth one I won't be using because this is only 3-wire. So now you slide your heat shrink tube back up and you roughly guess about where it's at. Put that at your knee and then slide this where the tube is centered on your knee. So I'm going to pause it and go get my heat gun and then we will continue from there. Alright, here's the heat gun. Nothing special. I think I just got it at the hardware store. 2 settings, high and low. Essentially just an overgrown, way more powerful hair dryer. Alright, I'm guessing that's as good as I'm going to get it. There's the heat shrink, and on both ends, you won't be able to see in the camera, but both ends it's got like a glue mixture it made from all the heat. So that's probably what they meant with the whole package saying that it's completely waterproof. Yeah, I bet you that didn't feel good, did it? Sorry, talking to the dog. Alright, so now it's going to get put back into this little trench that I've made, and I'm going to flip all the dirt back in, and then we're going to go resupply the power and see what happens. So let's watch me flip all the dirt back in. Alright, here's where the power comes in to the pool house. We're inside the pool house right now. And it goes out to the chicken coop, the wire that we just reburied, I should say. So I'll get my lights situated here and I'm about to show you what we're doing. I haven't put lights in this shed yet, so I'm just going to use this spotlight. Get this camera as close as I can, or zoom in. There we go. So this is where the power comes in at. Again, it's still dead power, but we've got where it comes in, and then one's where it goes out to the chicken coop. That doesn't matter which is which. As far as which one's going in, which one's going out, that doesn't matter. So this is a mess. So I'm going to cut this and redo it. Ow. There we go. Yep, that's awesome. Lever in the back. Alright, so here's a close-up for you. Show you what we did. Close up. The wire's coming up. Like I said, I don't know which one's from the garage, which one goes to the chicken coop. But got our black to black, white to white, and ground to ground. All are tight. So now I am going to go into the garage and turn the circuit breaker for out here back on, and we will go from there. Alright, and there we are. So we've got trailer, shed, well, garage, 220, RV. So it looks like obviously the only one that's off is the one that would coincide with the shed, number 6. And so we're going to flip it, and if it instantly breaks or pops or snaps or however you want to say it, then I know I did something wrong. So we're going to see what happens. Alright, still on. Still no red. So let's take a walk. See if my chicken coop has power in it. You are one special dog. And I'm going to finish filling that in later, and then what I will do, instead of having a expensive roller or heavy roller or whatever you professionals would use, I'm just going to drive over it with my 1-ton diesel to flatten it out. So here we're in the chicken coop, and got my test light here, wireless test light. You hold the button, and if you have power, it will beep. Look at that. Got power. So now so luckily that wasn't a hard fix. It was just the wires that were sticking up through the pool house that were still a little loose, and I guess the wire nuts weren't on tight enough. But obviously, as you can see, the lights here in the chicken coop are on, and we'll give you a quick show of my little baby chicks. So here's the chicks. They are Jersey Giants. So got them in the little box for now, just 6 of them. And when they get full size, then they will have full range of this beautiful luxury huge chicken coop. And I'll make another video on my watering system. I'm pretty impressed with that. So like always, stay tuned. Keep make sure you click the like button. Haas, let's go. Come on, boy. Make sure you click the like button and subscribe to my channel for updates and newsletters and new video notifications. I'm trying to post a new video every week. Right now it's on Wednesday. Sticking with that until somebody would like me to try a different day, and we'll just go with that until somebody else asks again. Otherwise, it's going to stay on Wednesday. That's a special dog. Anyways, this is Zachary with Backyard DIY, and this was showing you how to bury a wire after it's been mowed over. So, thanks for watching. Again, click the like button and the subscribe button, and I will have another relevant video for you on this side. So have a good one. Till next time.